I just jacked it up on the side stand here. You go up under the right frame rail and leave the kickstand down and jack it up with the flat jack there. Sportster frame, you can't really, frame's too thin just to stick it on all the way under the flat jack. It'll fall over if you try it. It's kind of a pain in the butt to back this thing into the stand we're using in the front to hold the bike up if you're doing it in the rear. So I'm just doing it this way. Been doing it that way for disc brake run out gauge with dial indicator. I think it was like $32 or something like that. It's cheap. Okay, before I pull this wheel off, just I'm trying to remember where my damn 1/4 inch 12-point socket is. I already know this disc is bent. We're going to see how much it's bent. This is a brand new kit I just got. My other one, Rotor Runout gauge, I used to just call it ball joint checkers. Oh yeah. Looks like we got about 40,000 spend in there. Yeah, about 40,000 is what it is. Now, if you wanted to check endplay, you just set it the same way, except you'd set it closer in on here and just pull on the wheel, see if you got any movement. Checking spokes on the rim, you're going to go right out here to the edge of the rim and check it. So really, if you want to check this rim, like this is a used rim that somebody gave us because they didn't use them on some project they had, so we got a rear and a front rim. Because the boy didn't want it. I laced up that other 21 inch, but he wanted a 19 to go back on there. And we couldn't find one after I'd already laced up the other wheel to his old hub because this thing came with a 21 on there. But anyway, regardless of that, that's how you're going to check run out on the rotor or endplay or whatever you're checking. And I'm still trying to think about where that 1/4 inch 18 socket is. It's a snap-on one. I know I've had it, I just can't remember where I put it. Probably one of them deals where I put it somewhere and forgot. Put it someplace that I'd remember and then forgot where I put it. But our old gauge works like we needed it. You can tell that thing's bent. You can feel it. Because the brakes get hard and then they get soft again, or you're trying to press it. Every time the rotor moves, it pushes the pistons back in, and then it feels like you ain't got no lever. It pulsates really, well, it's going to pulsate really bad at 40 thousandths run out. All right, that's it for this one. I'm just showing the new tool there that replaced my old tool. But that's it. All right. Appreciate it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Get this wheel off here so we can